Hello, welcome to this demo. I'm Juan Chaparro, the CEO and co-founder of Pipehire. I'm going to spend a few moments with you teaching you and showing you how our platform works. Pipehire is going to help you in three ways. First, helping you hire the right employees by reducing the time to hire and cost by 75%. Second, it's going to help you manage your employees better by organizing, streamlining your recruiting and onboarding processes so you can grow headcount and revenue. And three, we will help you retain employees longer by keeping them engaged with your company and reducing turnover. So now let's get started. One of the biggest areas of failure in companies, service companies, will be tracking complaints. So right here, we created the system where you can track the status of a client and the status with the employee. So it's very important to solve the problem of the complaint for both groups of people. Right here, we can see that we've solved this through a refund, and also we solved this through basically giving a warning to the employee. Now, when something is in red, means that there's still something pending there that we need to fix to make sure we close every complaint properly. Now, when you want to create a new complaint, you just click Add New, and you will basically select the employee, the client, and then you will continue filling this out, right? There's complaints reasons, and you can track if he generated a review or not on the social networks. And it's very important, these three buttons here is only save means that it's gonna only be seen by the company, not the employee and not the client. And the yellow button, save and send SMS to employee, means that we're gonna share the information of this complaint to the employee automatically via text message. And now right here, there's this little checkbox that eliminates the details of the complaint. So they will know, for example, that they have a complaint on late arrival, but if it's sometimes a hurting message that will impact the employee's attitude for that day, we want to avoid to read a hurting message. So that's when we uncheck the box. But if we want them to read the whole message, you click the box. Once you save it here or send it, it's going to be sent a text message to employee, and they're going to get notified exactly on the issue. All right, when you want to edit a complaint or add photos, you simply click here the pencil, and it's going to bring you to the edit section of the complaint, and you can drag and drop basically photos here. This is going to allow to keep track of exactly what happened or the resolution of it. And then click Save. Hey, before you go, if you're planning on hiring and growing your headcount and revenue for your home service business, check out pipehirehrm.com.